What's up YouTube? It's 터프정우. Today we are going to Nashville in Chinatown. Today and tomorrow they do have a spring festival. I will guys show you over there. See you soon. We are here, Chinatown in Nashville Spring Festival. Thank you.
Thank you. So hard.
What's up YouTube? It's 터프정우. Today we are going to Nashville in Chinatown. Today and tomorrow they do have a spring festival. I will guys show you over there. See you soon.
Use the right lane to take exit 59 onto Bell Road and State Route 254.
We are here, Chinatown in Nashville Spring Festival. Can we get two fine? Is that stamp? Thank you. Oh, for Joy. Can we grab a little bit more for her friend? It's okay? Yeah. Yeah, and for mommy, yellow. Thank you.
They light up too if you just press this button on the side. Just switch it on.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, and put it here.
Yeah,
Yes.
attach this part.
Oh, here, got it. Yes, thank you.
Thank
you.
So hard.
Oh, sticker.
Sticker. You can see how much you want.
I'm gonna wear. That is for. Did you get the Joy? Blue.
Why wouldn't
Okay.
I? I love great at
Say hi.
Get the sign over there.
Oh,
What?
sign. You want to sign? Oh, Cuba.
I'm a little lark boy. I'm a little
Oh,
boy.
여보, 뭐지? 뭐지 와보?
So cool.
Oh, smells so good. The fries. Panda 여보야. So cute. Oh,
I don't know who to think of.
you want to sign? Thank you.
I need a green one. Give me
Oh,
green.
here. Looking for green.
Is this green or my color?
여보, me and your name?
Okay.
And a big applause to Jen.
Oh, yeah, fine. Oh, they did. Oh, that's okay.
But this is not very good pen.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, no, yeah, you're right. For the YouTuber?
What is that?
Oh, my husband's YouTube channel.
Oh, wow.
You want to put a YouTuber? Yeah, blog and YouTuber maybe. YouTube channel.
Influencer, huh? Are you guys from Filipino?
Oh, he's a Chinese Filipino.
Chinese
Yeah.
Filipino. Wow, I look at your YouTuber thing.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a good advertising.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Let's go.
Just kind
Oh, I'm gonna wear it. Oh, this one, yeah. I will show you.
Nut side. I got the nut side color.
Show me. Show me. So cute.
So hard.
Finally, I can tie Ashley hair. They're so pretty.
Hello, it's be crewmate. I am the good guy on the spaceship. I complete all the tasks. My goal is to complete all tasks.
가자, 엄마 차.
Tone.
이천. Actually, eat first and I'm gonna eat later. My family and I went to the Spring Festival at Nashville, Chinatown. However, I was very disappointed because there were not enough food vendors and the festival felt very empty. Maybe the second day of the Spring Festival had more food vendors and more people, but on the first day there wasn't much to do and it wasn't very fun. And I was looking for Korean food. Where is Korean food? I don't see Korean food. I found only K-dog, in a Korean corn dog. Yep, that's it. But we didn't try. We just ate Thai food and we left.
What does
They gave me this flower for Mother's Day. That's awesome. And they're about really tiny cow. So cute, so pretty.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.
Bye bye.